how to find my Facebook username. You can head over right here to your actual Facebook profile and then click on these three dots right here. From in there, scroll down and you can see in here your profile link. So the username that is actually right here is this number of 615 something. It is after the ID equals. So you will only have a string of username of numbers if you haven't set your actual username yet. So in order to do that, head over to your Facebook Messenger, click right here on your three lines, click on this gear icon, click on this username right here, and click on this add username. So for this one, you can actually add right here a username that you want to use for this case. So you can head over and see if this username is available, and if not available, you can head over and then not use it. So just look for the username that is available, and then from in there, just head over and save it. So that's how you find your Facebook username. Hope we helped.